Assembling the Steve Plus. Steve Plus consists of 7 parts. Install the black doning shovel called the Steve Plus Easy-On into the green base. Check if the push buttons properly lock into place. A handle consists of 2 tubes. Slide the tubes together a bit, press the push button, and slide them further into each other. Set the desired height and tighten the lock ring. Do not disassemble the tube parts. This prevents the loss of loose parts. When disassembling the Steve Plus, the handles can be made compact by sliding them together completely. Install the handles with the grip facing away from you into the green base. Make sure the push buttons are securely locked. The height of the handles is adjustable. Loosen the lock ring, press the button, and slide the tube parts to the desired height. After the push button is locked into the desired hole, tighten the lock ring.